divide 412 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 2 means 4. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down the number beside this 1 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 0 means 0. On subtracting it is 1. So again we put down this 2 and it is 12. So 2 times 6 means 12. On subtracting it is 0. So 412 divided by 2 is 206. So this much for today and thanks for watching.